The ring-necked pheasant was introduced in the United States nearly 2 centuries ago, but the first successful introduction was in 1881. Imported from its native range in Asia and China, today's pheasant is actually a hybrid, resulting from crossbreeding between the English, Mongolian, Chinese, and Japanese varieties. The ring-necked pheasant is well adapted for life on the ground and will take to flight only when there is no other means of escape. Powerful leg muscles enable this beautiful game bird to swiftly retreat to cover, taking 18 to 24-inch strides. When threatened, a pheasant will burst into flight with a rapid flurry of short, wing beats, rise a short distance, lock its wings, and glide into protective cover. Upon landing, a few quick strides will usually complete the escape. A hardy, wily game bird, the pheasant possesses keen survival instincts and an uncanny ability to escape. These attributes make it a favorite quarry among the sportsmen.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Pimple Outdoors. Hopefully you guys can hear me. My Jeep's kind of loud. Super excited about today. It is November, I don't know, 12th. Yesterday was Veterans Day. November 12th. Had the amazing opportunity to go on a guided pheasant hunt. Never hunted pheasant before. So, needless to say, I'm really excited. Hopefully, we got a bag limit of, I think I said 2. So, hopefully we'll get at least one. I already told Sierra, like, I'm mounting it. Kind of like, have to do that, right? Pheasant hunting, so have to. By the way, Jeeps are not aerodynamic by any means. This thing is a freaking box on wheels, man, I'll tell you what. Been raining past 24 hours. Super warm out, so I'm kind of glad I got this opportunity because I do want to go deer hunting. I haven't had much movement on my cameras past week. I had a little pronghorn come in. I had one small but nice little 8-pointer come in. A couple does. I don't know what's going on, man. Usually Veterans Day is the peak rut over here in upstate New York. But I know last year it was, and the year before that. I don't know, I just think the weather's going to play a big part of it. It's the only thing I can really think. Like, I haven't jumped one deer out of bed all season, so like I said, super excited about getting out here, going pheasant hunting. Hunted grouse all my life. Same family. Beautiful bird though. We'll see how it goes. Driving by all these cut and crop fields, I don't see any movement whatsoever. I don't know, man. Weird year.
like this, right? Bird hunting, it's like this. The reason why is because my dogs are on the ground, okay? So muzzle up, downrange. Okay, it's #1 safety thing. If I see you guys walking around with your, you know, like you got an M4 in your hand and you're walking around like this, I'm gonna be all over you about that, all right? You don't want dogs, because you're not gonna be able to see the dog in the field. If the grass is too high, you're not gonna be able to see the dog, all right? Is everybody a soldier? Okay, so I don't really have to go through all the super safety stuff, but you got it. Muzzle up, downrange, #1 safety rule, okay? So this isn't rabbit hunting. You don't shoot anything on the ground. If the bird flies up, it does not clear the horizon. You don't see white or blue under the bird, we don't shoot. I'll call safety. We don't shoot low birds. The reason why we don't do that is because the dog could jump up now. Our dogs should not do that, but they might. If they come up out of that grass and that bird is low, you got a good chance of shooting a bird. Okay? All right. So,
Running this.
Outdoor recreation for MWR.
I was about ready to lose my mind when I saw people on ATVs.
Game Warden Road on that.
That's the only thing.
Hopefully you showed a blog this time. Is that the New England?
Yeah.
Partner? Oh man, that was my first shotgun I ever bought.
Yep.
Those things are sick.
I love it.
Yeah.
It's just my go-to
Yeah.
for everything. So it's a single shot, but I've never had issues with it. Had a lot of grouse with it. So.
Oh, you see that grouse tap on the weapon? Little grouse is high right.
Six shot?
Yep.
All right, you guys ready?
If you're offering.
12 gauge, right?
12 gauge, yeah.
You want the over and under so you have 2 shots?
I'll try it.
Who we got here?
This is Valor.
Valor.
Yep.
Valor is ready to go. Yeah, the duck hunt. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah. It's cool.
Appreciate it.
See if that fits you.
Yeah.
Quiet. I don't want you to take the safety off when the dog goes by pulling. I want you to approach and then take the safety off. Okay?
That's all right.
So once we get up here, I'll let it go. Yep, we're gonna go up this path here.
They used to make you register your gun here, almost.
They still do it here.
No, they don't.
Huh?
No, they don't.
Not here?
No. The last 2-3 years, they stopped.
So, okay, sorry. We live on base. So. Yeah.
The way the wind's blowing, I'm just gonna go down this side of the hill here. Alright? Gonna get give her the biggest opportunity here.
Yeah. I was just saying it's so cool to watch them work.
to go. You're in a good position right where you are. I'm right behind you. I'll stay right behind you. Safety off.
Yep.
Yeah. Hurry up. Get ready.
It's running.
You will.
Take it. I think we both shot over the top of it.
All right.
Did we?
Trying to do is use the wind, so she went to where she thought she saw it,
Yeah.
and then they circle around and they expand the area.
Okay. Super cool.
Got it? Here.
Yeah, I think
Now we're here.
she got it.
Good girl. Valor.
I got a top on my food.
Head up to this area. Is it real wet there?
It's pretty deep.
Yeah.
You gotta tap it over to that hill.
I mean, we that was you tell me which way you want to go.
And I'm glad I wore those gaiters though.
I just got like regular boots on, but they're waterproof. But,
Yeah.
I mean, I was already
Over
prepared.
there where we went is definitely
Okay.
Oh.
I was already prepared to come out and get wet. That's why I said I was going out for deer this afternoon. Oh, okay.
if you guys don't have high boots on, we can go and then
I'm good. Mine are dry still, so.
there. And have you move up, guns up in the air. Alright, so if you look at the terrain, right?
Right.
The head's real high. You can kind of see what's going on here, but I think that the bird's somewhere right up here in front of us.
Move up more.
Shot. Make it gun safe.
How you get my safety off? Nice shot.
Thank you.
I guess we get two more.
So she cut it a little short, and what she's doing now, she's using the wind, and she's going back and forth, and she watches narrowing down the sectional, she's getting smaller, smaller, smaller.
You like the brownie?
Time,
What's that? Oh, that's amazing, huh? I like that. Beautiful.
You have a pouch on your vest too?
No, I don't.
Got a lot of pockets.
I got a bag.
Well, we get what, 2 more birds, I guess.
might get out of the might not be up to your knee.
I picked up a kayak a couple weeks ago. Guy down in the unit area. Is it 70? Couldn't do it anymore? Couple rocks.
High and she's slowing down here. Hang out.
Safety on.
Just, there you go. All right, so someone come around this direction. Now the bird's over here. Does it see how her head is?
Yeah, she looks back towards you.
So to me, I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna have you scoot just ahead of me for a second here. All right, head high.
Be looking at Martha, not the dog.
So just move up with me a little bit.
Take your time, take your time.
Nice.
Valor! Good job!
Make them safe. I'll catch your show. Yeah, from there, doesn't it?
Yeah. Good shooting.
Huh? Two bird litters.
So that's two roosters, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
2 roosters, 2 hens.
Sweet.
You get one of each?
Yeah. Awesome.
We're looking for you, Martha.
Valor here!
Yep.
Your
Your wing
eyes
over her eyes.
covered. Right. That was a quick taste of
Yeah.
here's your
A single dog, too much birds.
You.
20 dogs. Huge.
if I wasn't sure, like after that first bird, if I wasn't sure.
You know, get Valor in the picture.
Yeah, let me just make her sit here.
Hey, Valor. Cool. Awesome.
Here.
Sick.
He's down.
Yeah.
Put my right.
Keep going.
Man, what an awesome experience that was, watching those dogs work on those birds. First time pheasant hunting. Had an amazing, amazing time. Just really, really grateful to be able to have that opportunity. Have an opportunity to do something like that. Really, really fun. Never been pheasant hunting. Recommend it. Gonna get that rooster mounted, so that should be a pretty cool mount. Super excited about that also. I don't know, we got enough time. Might go deer hunt this afternoon. We'll see though, probably not. Got a lot of stuff to do around the house. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Join us for more content. I don't know when we'll be doing a pheasant hunt again, but probably not anytime soon. Hopefully our next video we get some